Welcome to PFTV. We just beat the TTM Buffet 2-4-1 and Petu Keeper to analyze the game. Beekeeper Mnandi.
Ngiright mfethu khamba kanjani?
Hayi kahle futhi. Igame yenu wene kanjani?
Hayi no igame mfethu ibimnandi kakhulu into engayisho but nje siye laphana vele igame ingakaqali besinyama iphewa amalahle. Uya understand so beku obvious kodwa ke esikubone namhlanje for me kwelami side ngijabulile mfethu ukubona ku corrupt umuntu ofana nomlungu.
Dijong, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then looking at this current Orlando Pirates team, the starting lineup le usibone namhlanje. Ubani ungibone ngathi angangena on our next game. Who showed up his sense to say that coach, I'm ready to start the next game. You know, we saw the likes of Chabatsani bebakhona. We saw the likes of Tito na Bangenile. They made a huge impact. Ubani ungibone ngathi uphakamisa isandla namhlanje.
Mfethu ukuchaza kakhulu ngendaba zebhakaniya abadlali bethu mfethu truly speaking when it's come to kuthenini ubani ozobuya ubani ongeke abuye mfethu lokho ya ngokombono wami ya amajita aphakamisile more especially lawa esihlezi siwabona edla ama-ayisi like njengomjita kade abaningi sebeqalisa ukusikhulumela into esingayizwa not uTito man uMaster Chef. Yeah phela thina sinama rivals mfethu ama-rivals lawo esinawo thina sawaphiwa inkosi mfethu khuluma yonke into mfethu kade sebethi uMaster Chef angazi kanjani nje sekalahlekile usekuphi kodwa ke uJehova emuhle mfethu wabuya uMaster Chef wabuya wakhukha so ngibona yena mina umuntu impela esingaphinde simbone kwi next game. Yeah uphushile umjita mfethu uphushile hayi iMaster Chef leliyana mfethu. Yeah and uyazi siyibhakaniya mfethu siphethe into eyiningi mfethu sithi team siphinde sibe rehab sithi si rehab kuningi hlangahlangene mfethu. Uyanganastenda thina ungale thina isandla sethu mfethu isandla sifana nesandla sika Jehova siyathinta siyabusisa ukuletha seku right off sekuncwatshiwe kuthiwa kuphelile ngakho sifike sikuthinte singamabhakaniya isandla sika chairman wethu sihle kakhulu
one time
siyathinta siyabusisa. Yeah asifane nesandla samanye ama team isandla secogama siyathinta isandla sevirus isandla secorona siyathinta siyabulala no ufika kithi kwibhakaniya sebe right off mfethu icarry iqale phansi Master Chef yambona even umcheck skin umjito yambona yaklowa yonke into ihamba kahle kumnandi kakhulu ezweni.
Yeah then asikhulume ngomude keeper cause masibuya after iAFCON usilethele draw and then nabuya now it seems like it's back to factory default 3 wins in a row. Umude na how is the progress?
Yeah mhlawumbe omunye umuntu angazibuza ukuthi masikhuluma ngomude sikhuluma ngane but obvious bafethu ithi kuphela esino coach omude ezweni. Hayi awawadu bathu wadu up the slum. No umjita mfethu is just ukuthi usethimini enkulu ebhekwe izwe lonke. Yeah and nokungama team manje okufile makudlala nathi kuyalikhuphula izinga uya understand bafethu ama-cup awu2 already sesiwathathila ngubali lokunye okwesithatha ngubali lokho noma singayokushiya estratini sasenatural akunandaba nakho but ngibala nje lawa awu2 sesiwathathile and again possible ukuthi singavala le season isiphethe 4 ama trophy.
Very much possible.
Yeah. Noma kunjalo ke bhakaniya lami angeke siluthane bafethu sithi no sizo lokhu suwina nje waya kukhona la sophazamiseka khona noma ngingazi ukuthi kukuphi. Yeah ayikho team mfethu engadraw ayikho team engawini ayikho team engadliwa so abantu kufanele ba understand ukuthi manje ama team uma yeziweya ukuthi how far ngokwamandla awo kufanele ashaya uGoliath. You understand uDavid ushaya into eyodwa nje ezweni ushaya uGoliath kubaleke yonke into so wonke ama team mfethu mayifuna ama bonus. Yeah balungisa ama bonus ka December mawubona i-team idraw nePirates mfethu ungacabanga ukuthi 1 point kuphela bayitholayo kunama bonus lapha bayowathola ukuthi ni-draw ne-team enzima. You understand namanje futhi ngenzeka leChakuma ithola ibonus yokuthi iscore 4-1. You understand yeah so uma bebona abantu siphazamiseka sometimes it's like njoba besidraw nesikhukhula hayi ngoba nakho uwadu enjanjani cha bafethu asidlali sodwa You understand?
Yeah.
Bayawacheck ama-video wethu mfethu ukuthi sidlala kanjani, so they are trying by all means ukuthi labantu laba singabavimba kanjani. Sinkinga mfethu ezweni. You understand? Sinkinga ezweni ngalendlela yokuthi njengamanje konke kuyahlala kushoda ukuthi nje bahlangane benze bafana against you. Kodwa nje into engiyithandayo sibuyele back si tsunami asishayi mfethu siyabulala ezweni.
Sabulala ezweni. And then we saw Buthelezi coming in for Sipho Chain. Besicele sonke singamabhakani, amanye amabhakani athi it's his fault, amanye athi ijump ibonda. Do you think it was his fault, that goal, and how did you see his performance today?
Ngibhikipha mina bhakane lami uyazi ukuthi umsebenzi wami engazinika wona ukuthi ngidefend abadlali bethu. Uma kunenkinga ngibona ukuthi amahayina afuna ukuthi ucoach ngidefend. You understand? So naye umfowethu uButhelezi kufanele a defend there and there. But ke angisoli yena egolini ngisola ukuhlala kakhulu ebenchini. The more uhleli mfethu kufana nemoto ehlala egarage engasebenzi iyafa. Yeah, so na inkabi yami ngicabanga ukuthi the more ihleli dlama ayisi shisa inyama yosithumbu yakudisturba le yanto mfethu. So mayisebuya vele sonke sibheke yena ukuthi eshisoke siboneke. So I mistake mfethu leyana asibonga ukuthi siwinile. But ke yeah, into engingayisho mfethu ukuthi asingamblame asingamkhombi kakhulu because kusasa kuyawulimala uChayini. Kulimala uChayini mhlawumbe udladla naye athola red card. Kuphoqa ukuthi ngene yena. So thina sifana namanye ama-team bafethu umdlali asemcindezeli. Buthelezi inkabi yami inkabi yangakithi liyana kwaZulu mfethu. Yeah, so into engayisho siyakuthanda inkabi yami but nje uthi ukukhuphula kancane amasokisi. Ngicabanga enye into engimchecke ngayo ne-weight kuzofanele akathi ukudropa kancane umjida unone too much udla kakhulu ngaba ngazi inkabi evuba amasi mfethu hayi umjida akakeme kancane. Ya ngicabanga ukuthi la iyadla le yakhe. Yeah, inkingi lapha emafutheni.
Yeah. And then obviously we saw Tijong Kweri at least namhlanje Kweri penalty, you know. We saw some of our new signings as well, Uchabatsani. So overall today, who stood out for you?
Ngathini bonke mfethu kodwa nje uma kufanele ngiphike oyi1 ake ngiphike yena umlungu mfethu. Into esimlethele yona mfethu ukuthi azosilungisela lapha phambili. And abanye bathu sefikile but as for me akukafix asengama start. Nisazombona lo mlungu usazoshaya igoli usazoshintsha iskini ebepink. Yeah, just ukuthi nje akashisi kahle kusazoshisa baba. Iligi kusazokhamba kufike la khona ukuthotisela ama game awu3. Kuyobe ngasancingwana ke lapho sekuzobe kufuneka iexperience le ngapi and inde ngithanda naphezulu ikhona and naphansi khona le mjiti igoli uzoshaya bafethu just into fanele siyenza simbekezeleleni usuka ku Stellenbosch i-team enama support mhlawumbe awu100 i100 is sold out kubo. So lapha kuyagcwala la kakhona mfethu namanje umlungu kusafanele akaqasa ukujwayela ukuthi kudlalwa kanjani emsindweni onjeyana sikhona sifake izibuko simbhekile. So akukho lulu ukuthi umdlali esuka from ku team encane sekafika ku team enjenge Pirates no kusafanele simbeke ngoba manje usadila ngendaba ye crowd. You understand? Akakazi amenyezwe phela ku stadium uyaqala ukumenyezwa ezweni. You understand? Kuwabhakaniya lapha esikhuluma khona mfethu.
Yanye.
Ziyabuya baba ziyamporoma lapha zikula speaker.
Finally we saw our defending champions Abolam Tutu baphumile solo.
Olamlama I'm very happy ezweni. Uyabona
singabasiza kanjani
nikhipha la. Uyabona ke mina bafethu hayi mina ngingabazwela mawunenhliziyo yokudlala uzwe angibazweli baba ilimeze etsheni anginamsebenzi akhona la kuhlungu khona mfethu. Yeah, because sithema siphuma kwiCAF baba. Besivelelwe mfethu. Omunye wabalandeli babo wazi wayothenga umqhele ufakwe ekhanda lapha isikhumba siyangizwe emculo wayofaka umkoko celebrate ukuthi iPirates iphumile. You understand? Khona wayizwela lapha siphume ekhapini si representable si teams represent umzansi kodwa aba celebrate kwenzekalani master esikhukhuni. But hey nakho basibiza ngo Game in Hand FC kunjani makunje siyapha siyakhala semporo imnandi Nedbank ingena defending champions. Yeah, izoyidefenda yona
so badefendelayo
izoyidefenda yona siyathatha ke manje angisakubona ngakuphazamisa. By the way bekungekho vele ungasiphazamisa. Ngicabanga bafowethu into kufanele amanye ama-fan or abanye abathandi bebhola kufanele beke befunde ukudedela igazi be accept ukuthi its team isizini yayo. sike savuma nathi sa accept ukuthi isizini yama Sunflower 57 FC iSundowns le but manje kufanele naye iSundowns naye ikhumula amakepisi neziqhoko kushopha no brand uthi beguqa bethi no bafowethu mabhakaniya this is your time this is your season thina sovinjwa ulwandle baba you understand ayike team engasikhona manje we are very very dangerous because mawucheck iPirates manje ngiyayibona iFirst 11 iPirates ingozi ubheka ibench usabe uqala sebenchini ubothi la kunenkinga la kuzoba nenkinga because is keeping inkinga sifaka inkinga yeah it's our time futhi it's our season and this time ngiyakutshela baba lezi buku uyibona zibovu mathu iliga seyithathanga zoshintsha zibe pink utshelwa yimba kusho mina ibig deal yeah isizini yethu baba siya prior you understand noma yidla inyama kule season uzoyidla ophethe igout siyamzwela siyamdabukela ngoba kuya prime mfethu isikhathi sekhabishi one side kuka ama prime stand baba kuphela inyama nqamuka amazini you understand kuphela umetshisi ukukhala amagalight athi safa yeah and na wama zebra lawa ama sunflower lamlama inyama mayihleli kakhulu efrijini iyabola abasinike inyama spray is our time is our season ngihlezi ngicela ngithi nani baphathi bama butcher Aniye kumona sponsor sifuna sponsor sinikezwe inyama spray yithi team eBray ezwini you understand and engiyithanda manje ke izinto seyishintshile izingane zolamlam zishintshile manje yeah izingane zolamlam zimtshela kahle ubaba nomama baba nomama usizo lweni lwala ekhaya esilithole la thina sifuna umfukenyi thina sifuna iPirates into engiyishoyo bolamlam vumelana abantwana beze esigodini vumelana abantwana baye arena injabulo ingeyapha yini nachuza wrong yeah izwila abanye abalandeli bethi ofila ama pain akabe west sabakhuza sathi yekelana ukufavor mlam bathi siyabajelasela kunjani makunje pain after pain ziyakhala ziyalila ziyamporoma kuxaka Brentwood baluza ama weight mfowethu you understand kulamalanga sisodwa ku social media asina umuntu sisodwa social media sisodwa mfowethu saceleni ukuthuka uthula lethe cwaka ngeke ubone ngisho iskipa somuntu selamlama emoto next
yeah they have it no Pagania that's beekeeper bafethu bopha